Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to look at sorting out problems with your toolbar in Illustrator. Now before I start the video, let me tell you where you can find some additional Illustrator training. I have a series of courses at Udemy, and in the description below are special coupon links for you for all of my courses. And my coupon prices are always at least as good as anything that Udemy can offer, and often they're better. I also have a series of classes at Skillshare, and again there's a coupon in the description below which includes an offer at least as good as the current Skillshare offer and often better. Sign up for Skillshare and you'll get access to thousands of classes there, including over 200 of mine. So let's swing across to Illustrator because something's happened to my toolbar. I have my toolbar showing as two columns because I like it to look that way, but you can make it one or two by just clicking here. But you might notice that there are some things missing and there are some things in really weird orders. And so if you want to reset your toolbar, this is what you're going to do. First of all, locate this icon here, the Edit Toolbar icon, and click on it. And you'll see a list of tools that have gone walkabout. For example, I've lost my direct selection tool and my lasso tool. They're all in the list and selectable, which tells me that they've been removed from the toolbar itself. Now I could just put them back, but there's an easier way because I want my toolbar to look the way it would have looked if I'd first installed Illustrator. So this is what I'm going to do. Click here on this little menu option here. Now I'm using the advanced toolbar. I'm just going to click reset. And when I do that, my toolbar is put back to rights, and all those tools that were missing from it are now where they should be. So if your Illustrator toolbar gets all messed up, that's how you're going to bring it back. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Leave me a comment to tell me that this worked for you, and I'll look forward to seeing you in an upcoming video soon.